What is video marketing? Video marketing is a type of advertising where businesses use videos to promote their product, service, or brand. These videos are uploaded to multiple platforms like websites and social media profiles. In 2017, approximately 74% of all online traffic was video content. That means almost 3/4 of all time spent on the internet is used to watch videos. This makes sense when you realize that 4 times as many customers would prefer to watch a product video versus reading a product description. If you include the word video in your email subject, it increases the open rate by 19% and a 65% boost in click-throughs. After watching a video, customers are 64 to 85% more likely to make a purchase. If I make a video, how do I know anyone will actually watch it? Having a well thought out strategy will always be the most effective way to ensure your video converts. Google is 53% more likely to display a video on the first page of a search versus other sources of information. For more information about search engine optimization, click the link in the description to watch our video on SEO. As a concept, video marketing is pretty simple. You use videos to promote a product, service, or brand. But when it comes to actually producing a video, that's where it can get complicated. The biggest challenge today is creating an effective video marketing strategy. That's where a professional and experienced team can help. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Varx Marketing, video marketing with real returns.